Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Setu. So today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 7 of subject energy conservation and waste heat recovery. I hope you are enjoying the solution. So first you subscribe my channel so that you will get the next assignment as early as possible. So let's start the assignment. Question number 1. Which of the following heat pipe orientation helps it attain its maximum performance? So maximum performance will be given by the inclined heat pipe, in which the condenser section should be above the evaporator section, because it have advantage of both horizontal and vertical heat pipe. So option 4 is correct for this. Next question, the capillary pumping head of a heat pipe is a function of weak properties. So answer B is correct. It is a function of weak properties. Next question, will there be a temperature drop in the adiabatic section of heat pipe despite of heavy insulation? How will that be affected if the core diameter of very thin heat pipe is reduced? If the core diameter is reduced, then yes, it will be decreased. Yes, temperature drop in the adiabatic section of heat pipe despite of heavy insulation, and it will be decreased. Next question, a heat pipe works in a gravity independent manner if delta PC is greater than delta PL. So here delta PC is delta PL. B option is correct. Delta PL is the liquid flow through wick and delta PC is the maximum difference in pressure. So B is correct option. A heat pipe's operation follow a Rankine cycle except for the presence of turbine. So turbine will not be there in that Rankine cycle based on the heat pipe operation. Next question, based on our understanding of the working of heat pipe, can ethanol heat pipe be based for transporting heat from a heat source at 50 degree at atmospheric pressure? The answer is yes, because its saturation temperature of ethanol is higher than source temperature. So yes, it can be used. Question number 7, it is a numerical. Question number 7 and 8 are connected. So first we have to calculate the permeability of wick. For this, the formula is given in the lecture. So please go through the formula from the lecture and you will get the answer 9.71 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter square. So for the question number 7, answer is D. Question number 8, for the above heat pipe, calculate the axial power rating. So based on my calculation, but temperature difference is missing in this question. So based on my calculation, 11.25 watt. Answer C could be right. Question number 9, for a horizontal position heat pipe, the effective length is reduced by 30% while permeability of wick is increased by 40%. In addition to that, the original fluid is replaced with an alternative fluid having twice the kinematic viscosity. What will be the changes in the power rating? So it is decreased by 14%. So answer B is correct for this question. Next question, which of the following statement is true about heat pipe? So question number 10, the solution will be C. C is the correct. Heat pipe find its application as a heat sink in the electronic industries. Heat pipe have, if we see other option, D, heat pipe have low axial thermal conductivity. It's incorrect answer, because heat pipe have very high axial thermal conductivity. Heat pipe dump the waste heat of the International Space Station into outer space. Heat pipe use the waste heat. Heat pipe convert low grade energy to high grade energy. Reverse, heat pipe convert the low grade energy to high energy. Actually heat pipe not converted any type of energy. So C is the correct answer for this question. So thank you friends for listening me. Hope you are enjoying the solution of assignment, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.